Hello guys, welcome back to Coupon Use. Today in this video I'm back with the new Motorola G42 Unleash Your Style. This mobile going to launch in few days they launched this mobile with ultimate killing price and ultimate specification. We have three cameras comes with two colors. One is golden and one is some blue or green shade. Now you will if with this mobile you will get instant 1000 rupees discount with the SBI credit card at the rate of 12.99. Their going first sale is on 11th July 12 p.m. And coming to the main display, like it comes with a 4.5-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display and more stylish design in the segment. And comes with stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos out of a box, and it comes with a stock Android. And it comes with a 15 megapixel quad camera, like camera plus 16 megapixel selfie camera, and one more 5000 mAh battery with a 20-watt turbo power charger. And coming to the Qualcomm SnapDragon 680 processor, it's a most successful processor in the Qualcomm, and it comes with 64 GB storage and 1 TB expandable storage, and it comes with a water repellent design IP52 and stunning colors. We have two colors, more stylish design. Like it comes with a PMMS acrylic glass finish, 175 4.5 milligrams lightweight, renewable camera module, and brilliant color. These are the two colors on this mobile. How would you feel after watching these images? Just comment your opinion. You are also already 6.4-inch Full HD AMOLED display, bright your favorite content. And one more thing, these say P3 25% extra color gamut and SGS blue light certification. It will protect your eyes from blue light. We have limited or some extent it can protect you from blue light. And punctual display, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for good audio quality. Immerse yourself fuller multi-dimensional sounds that's crisp, clear, and loud. It comes with a Qualcomm SnapDragon 680 processor. You can see here like one of the most powerful processor in 680. There is a 3G, 5G chips also, but it was not a 5G. Get power your most demanding task with performance than over 20% faster than previous generation. It comes with the camera department like 50 megapixel quad functional camera plus 16 megapixel selfie. One is main camera is 15 megapixel camera with a quad pixel technique to get more advanced picture, and 8 megapixel ultra wide depth and a dedicated macro vision camera. And it comes with a top notch selfie 16 megapixel camera. Coming to your battery, I told you like it's a comes right on macro battery with 20 watts turbo power charging. A get powerful day with a massive 5000 macron. It comes with storage like 64 GB storage. I mean, you can expand up to 128 GB. It comes with a stock Android 12. Most of the every mobile comes with a clear Android operating system. Like it comes with a 3 years issue security updates, a security updates. You can register your mobile from a water rain resistant. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you want to buy this link, just check the description for this mobile link. Thank you. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.